Some places make you want to leave in 5 minutes, and then there are places where every corner has something that catches your eye. Today, we are exploring one of those places. Let's see what surprises are waiting inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to It's Soumya Says. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. तो आज हम आए हैं वेस्ट साइड एंड हियर आई एक्चुअली फाउंड आउट so many things which were so affordable and good, like the quality they are giving is the best. So as soon as I entered, I could see different sections containing different categories of clothes. So for all those corporate girlies who want formal and semi-formal clothing, these coats, shirts, formal, semi-formal kind of shirts were available starting from rupees 1299. There were different types of shirts which had embroidery also. Half sleeves, full sleeves. ये टॉप बहुत ही सुंदर था, इसको हम इस तरह से स्टाइल कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस ब्लैक वन वाज माय पर्सनल फेवरेट. Then there were casual wears, normal t-shirts. And then there were many options in the sports section. I did not identify this bralette at first, like what this thing was. All sorts of jeans were there, baggy, straight fit, skin fit. Formal pants के भी बहुत सारे options थे. So if you are looking for any formal wear, you can prefer this place. Then mini skirts, some one pieces. This denim one is in much trend right now. ये Chinese type का भी मेरे को यहाँ पे दिखा था. And then this yellow basic aesthetic सी picnic dress बहुत सुंदर थी. Then this puffed sleeves blue color one piece. Then there were cord sets which you can wear in professional meeting, like for your office wear. They also had options of bikini, so if you are planning for Goa or Bali or some place, you can prefer this place. Then in the ethnic section बहुत ही vast था, and they had a lot of options specifically in pastel shades which are in trend. They had many options of clothing in ethnic section for your daily office wear to party wear, and then wedding sections also. So I really like this lehenga thing. This one piece gown type of thing was also very beautiful. These even had flares, so if you put some can below or do layering, they will look better. There was this blue color suit set which I really liked. They even had a lot of footwear options, and like footwear का इन्होंने अलग से section बना रखा था. There were all sorts of footwear and they were very comfortable. Like flats available थे. Then they had these heels, pencil heels. Platform heels were also there. और बैंगलोर के वेदर को देखते हुए यहाँ इतनी बारिश होती है, तो they had these types of slippers also. This heel वाला shoes तो I thought it was meant for all those short height girls who want to look tall like me. Then there was this purse section, like all sorts of office वाले purse, आपके party wear purse. And then also they had suitcase options. Earrings की बहुत सारी variety थी यहाँ पर, so you can see all these accessories. Most interesting section जो था इनका, that was this makeup section. So they have their own altogether makeup line, जिसको Studio West कहते हैं I think. और वहाँ पे हर तरीके का आपको मेकअप ऑप्शन मिलेगा. लाइक लिपस्टिक्स के तो इतने सारे ऑप्शंस हैं दैट यू कैन वॉक थ्रू द प्लेस एक्चुअली. काइंड ऑफ देयर ओन सेफोरा इनसाइड वेस्ट साइड. एंड आई रियली लाइक देयर लिपस्टिक पैकेजिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. लाइक इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे जो ब्यूटी सेक्शंस की चीज़ें आती हैं उससे आई थिंक इंस्पिरेशन लेकर के दे हैव डिज़ाइंड. सो स्किन केयर के भी ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे अवेलेबल हैं. सो लाइक यू नो दैट जूडियो लॉन्च देयर new skincare range just now. Similar to that, they have their own range which is on an expensive level, but I think we can afford this because this is a good skincare. Not just this, they had options of nail paints, hair care options also. Then skincare के लिए face masks के भी बहुत सारे options थे. They had different types of lip balms also. Fake nails के भी यहाँ पे options थे, like artificial stick on nails. Not just only this, यहाँ पर home decor के भी options थे. So I really found this Pinteresty, pretty looking कटलरी विच लुक लाइक अ फ्लावर, हिबिस्कस फ्लावर जैसा कुछ कुछ इसको इफेक्ट दिया था इन पिंक.
और भी होम डेकोर के ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे थे, लाइक आर्टिफिशियल फ्लावर, डो मैट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. And then they also had perfume body mist section. So if you are planning to visit a place which has everything, you can try visiting Westside, which is pocket friendly, high in quality and also contain everything. So which section was your favorite and what would you like to buy? Comment down below. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.